can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out, but I am never giving up. Do it again, just do it again. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again.
Typically, the very first thing that I do in the morning is get my coffee. Like, I don't even care if I'm running late. Coffee is like my #1 priority. But yeah, so I usually go get my coffee, and then typically I'll listen to some sort of worship music just to sort of like start my day off right. Then I will head into the bathroom to get my makeup on, to glam myself up for the day. Recently, I've been doing my makeup in my bathroom because I've noticed it keeps your room so much cleaner when you don't have makeup just sprawled everywhere out on your floor. I've also noticed that in the mornings, I feel like I waste so much time in the bathroom just because I'm dancing, I'm singing, and I'm doing stuff that is very unproductive, and I feel like I would save so much time in the morning if I just didn't do it. Now onto my outfit, because I definitely will not be wearing this outfit out today, but in case you do like my t-shirt, I don't usually talk about this on my channel, but I do just want to let you know I do sell t-shirts, and it says celebrate the rain on the back. It's basically, not only is it a pun of my name, but it's also just to say to celebrate the tough times in your life and just recognizing that you are that person, you are that stronger person because of those tough times. I'll have a link down below in case you wanted to check that out, and a portion of all the proceeds actually goes to a nonprofit organization that raises money for suicide prevention. So I'll have that link down below in case you're interested. And the last thing that I do with my morning routine is just eat my breakfast. I don't really like to drink my coffee with my meal. I guess I just like to have coffee first so that I could sort of wake up for the day. But for today's breakfast, I'm just going to have some coconut granola and some soy milk. So that is about it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I worked really hard on this video, so if you guys could go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And as for right now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Bye!
Get ready, and it feels so good. If I could think everybody here, I would. Okay. No, actually, like, I'm sweating. You can't be doing this.